This is video 3040 and Black Friday is over, and today I'm going to be unboxing this Defiant lock set, the doorknob and deadbolt lock set. I got this thing for $10, and beginning today, which is Saturday, it's already $20, and the 2-pack costed $20 yesterday, and the 2-pack already costs $40 beginning today. Right, now I did open it up because you see this here, I covered that because it shows a number and I don't want to get that on YouTube. It's not because of copyright, because that showed the key code to copy another key, but it's going to open it up. I did cut it already, which is why you see this. And this is the doorknob. And this is a deadbolt, and I'm going to be using it for this cardboard door. I'm using it for this cardboard door. Not that door, this cardboard door. That's a quick sit doorknob, by the way. And I'm using it for this cardboard door for my garage door. For the front door, not the side door. Alright, let's go ahead and take it out. And it says right here, key. And let's set the camera on the side. Oops, the cardboard door fell down. Oh, I'll do something weird over here. We can put this on the chair. We have a doorknob. We have a doorknob. The doorknob latch. And the deadbolt. And the deadbolt latch. And just making sure not to get that grease on, because these are pre-greased, so I have to be careful not to. If not, just wash my hands with soap. Alright, let's go ahead and take the faceplate and the other parts. We have more parts in here. We have the stuff for the faceplates, the instructions manual, the keys. I'm gonna leave them in the box because I don't want to lose them. Take a closer look. And this is the strike plate for the deadbolt. And the strike plate for the doorknob. And your instructions manual. Let's go over the instructions manual. It even comes with a template for you to drill out the door, but in this case I'm going to use it for a cardboard door, so that's not required. This is what it comes with. This is the other side. Here is the deadbolt. Here is the doorknob. Now we'll test the keys.